How is she?
Oh, is she your wife?
No. I'm actually her friend.
Okay, I noticed she's pregnant.
Pregnant? Doctor, please, I beg you, do whatever it takes to make sure she's fine. Okay? Bills on me.
We'll do our best, sir.
Thank you very much.
Immediately he said he doesn't want his mother to be aware. I started regretting why I even attended that wedding in the first place. Come on, I don't indulge myself in such rubbish. I was so ashamed of myself inside that church.
Paul, that kind of thing do happen. That kind of thing do happen. His own wasn't the first and it can never be the last. But Jeff, I was expecting that guy to run to that girl immediately. But he didn't do so.
He did.
He did?
Oh. He wanted to run after her, but the mother held him back. Jeff, what are you saying? His mother held him back and can't even utter a word. See guys, Felix doesn't love this girl. Quote me anywhere.
In fact, what are we doing in that church? You go fear me.
Well, if I was the girl, I don't care to know. Even if the wedding is not holding, that girl won't leave that church. Believe me.
Yes. Just to prove to her. Just to prove to her that you are not in support of what her mother did in that church. But let me just tell you. If I were him, that reverend must wed us whatever he likes to it. Jeff, I'm telling you, he must wed us.
Well, what you guys are supposed to understand is he doesn't have a say when it comes to issues in their house. Whatever the mother says stands. I thank God for my father. Who are you?
I was expecting that man to react like a good man. But nothing good came from him. Nothing.
Listen, Jerry. That guy is not man enough. I need to disassociate myself from him henceforth.
I've done that already. I don't need to be told. I've done that already. Yes.
If I were to be that girl, I'm going to pour him hot water so that in his next life, when he sees me, he will not even take an inch to get close to me. You see, Joyce, even the woman knows her very well. And she knows she cannot try that with her. I trust Joyce now. If not Joyce, Joyce go scatter. Everywhere go scatter.
He said he's going to look for the girl. Has he done that?
Yes, he did. But to no avail.
Oh, shit.
I guess they've returned back to the village. Felix get luck, sha.
Mama, I've been meaning to ask before now. What prompted her husband to have left her at the altar?
My son, is a long story.
Okay. I have all the time, so I'm ready to listen.
My son, she was raped before her wedding and was confirmed to be pregnant. And her mother-in-law swore not to allow her son get married to a woman that is already pregnant for another man. That is the situation we found ourselves.
What? Just that?
Just that. Is it not much?
But it wasn't her fault.
And she doesn't care. She was interested in protecting their image.
Too bad. Too bad. Uju, you know what? I want you to always keep an eye on her. Okay? I will be coming here from time to time to check on you guys.
Okay, I will.
Anything you want, anything at all you want, just let me know.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you very much, Mama. Amen. I'll have to take my leave now. Okay? I have some business to attend.
No problem.
I'll come back to see you guys.
No problem. You take care.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye, yeah?
Hey, Mama. He's such a nice man.
He is God sent.
Hey. God. Thank you.
I was thinking how I could go about all this whole thing. God, thank you.
Let's go inside.
Thank you. Amanda, you want to kill me before my time. This pain you're going through pierces my heart. Just know that God has every reason. He knows the reason this thing is happening to you. One day everything will be alright. Just let's go. So that we can be happy again. Okay, we are eating, you are not eating.
Mama, I try my best to let go. But this is too much for me. It's too much for me, Mama.
Amanda, I know what you're going through. I know you are trying. I know how painful this is for you. But I also want you to know that whatever will be, will be.
Sometimes I just feel like taking my life.
What? Check, please. Check. Who is that?
Felix, mother.
What is she doing here?
Maybe she's feeling remorseful and she has come to apologize.
What are you doing here? What do you want?
Where is Amanda?
She went to drink water inside.
She left because she does not want to see you.
Oh, good. Because I am here to warn her to stay away from my son.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
I would not like to see her anywhere around my house. I had preferred to give her the information directly, but I believe that wherever she might be, she will be hearing me, or you can still pass the information to her afterwards. Let her stay away from my son. She should go and look for the man that put that bastard in her womb. Failure to adhere to these instructions will be disastrous. If you love your daughter, and if she loves herself, let her stay away from Felix. Anyway, you know I have a good heart. That is 400,000 naira. Give it to her. She should use it to take care of herself.
Rebecca, pick up that money.
You can keep it. It's from my heart.
If you don't take this money, I am going to teach you a lesson you have never learned in your wildest life. Just pick the money. Oh yeah! Out! Get out!
It's okay.
Put your high horse. That is your son. Get away! Get away! Use that money and take care of yourself. Buy sense into your head. Idiot. She's so arrogant. And who cares?
Take a look at this paper.
What?
Say, take a look at this paper.
What about it? What nonsense is this? Useless bloggers.
You are now happy.
I don't understand.
You don't understand what? Let me tell you. Whatever one gives out, that must surely come back to oneself. Must surely come back to oneself.
Mark, I don't care. All I know is that I have a reputation to protect.
What useless reputation are you talking about? A reputation that you have rubbed on the mud by letting the whole world know that Chief Mark's son's wedding was truncated by his wedding. Is that?
Mark, people can say whatever they want. I don't care. All I care about is that my son did not go ahead with that wedding, as in to marry that useless and unfaithful girl.
Oh, she is now unfaithful, right?
That is what she is.
Now let me ask you, what if this had happened to your daughter Hilda? What if she was caught in this situation? Would you have liked it?
God forbid.
God forbid.
My daughter will never be a victim of such predicaments. But Mark, all I need you to know is that all that happened was for the benefit of all of us in this family, not only for me. I'm tired, you know, I just came in now. I need to go in and rest. Save yourself in trouble.
God forbid. God forbid that it will not happen to your daughter. But if it is other people's daughters, God will allow it to happen. What a world!
Bro. Talk to us, whatever it is. We are men. Tell us.
Yes. I mean, yes, bro. Did anybody die?
I would have preferred it if someone had died. Than the condition you two put me in. So tell us, what happened? Oh, is this not the girl we presented to you for your birthday gift? Yes, yes.
How did you get the picture?
She's someone's wife.
What?
Someone's wife? Someone's wife? How did you know that?
Hey, you okay? Hey, oh my God! Somebody help! Somebody help! Hey!
I took her to the hospital. That was where I saw the same birthmark I saw that very night on her neck. Long story short, she ran away from the church. Because her mother-in-law insisted that her son will never get married to a woman who's carrying another man's child.
This is not good news at all. Honestly, it's not.
First off, I slept with another man's wife. Secondly, I'm now a rapist. How am I supposed to live with all this? Knowing that I caused that girl all that she's going through now.
Bro, come on. It's not your fault. We're all taking this as a joke. We never knew it would come to this. Yes. We're really so sorry.
Bro, whatever the outcome of this incident, you are free from it. I mean, we are to blame, not you.
What are you even talking about? What are you two even talking about? Look at me. I'm slowly dying away. How do I look at this? Knowing I caused this girl all the pain that she's going through.
Listen, sincerely, from the depth of my heart, we're really so sorry. We're so sorry.
See, deeply sorry.
You are my wife, and I'm still in charge of this house. If you continue with this, your attitude, I will have no option than to do what is in my mind.
And what could be in your mind?
Rebecca, I will not warn you the second time.
Mark, if you like, you can rant from now till tomorrow. I must do what I want to do. No one turns me around anyhow. Mark it.
Rebecca!
Mark, I mean no one turns me around anyhow. And that includes you. Excuse me.
Hey, listen here. Listen. Fly that does not always stick to advice always ends in the grave with the corpse. Bear that in mind.
Mark, I will not end anywhere rather than a better place.
Rebecca, let me warn you for the last time. I am still in charge of this house. And you will not lord yourself over me. Not when I'm still alive.
Then you better die and give me space. So I can do what I want. Nonsense.
What are you doing here?
I came to see Amanda.
You came to see Amanda? Or you came to confirm if she's dead?
Oh, not at all.
Just get out! Go meet your high-horse mother. Sort it out with her. Go! Let's get away!
Are you asking me to leave your house?
Get out!
This minute.
You're waiting to see what I'm gonna do? What I'll do to you?
Ma, look, I understand that.
Felix, get out. You're irritating me. You're getting on my nerves. Get out!
I know your mother must have told you she didn't succeed. And that's why you are here to confirm if my sister is dead. You failed.
My mother came here.
Don't worry, I'm coming. You'll find out.
Just get out.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
Get lost.
I don't like what you want.
Just get out. Get lost. Idiot.
What did you tell Amanda and her family?
What sort of rubbish question is that?
I'm not here for jokes.
Neither am I here for jokes too.
Now listen and listen good. If I fail to marry that girl, I will remain unmarried.
Then, be ready to remain single for the rest of your life because you will not marry that girl into this family.
Really?
Yes.
Okay then.
Mama.
Hi.
Mama, how are you?
Mama, how are you?
I'm very good.
Welcome, Bona.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hey. Welcome, Vincent.
Thank you. Amanda, how are you?
As you can see, I'm alright.
Oh yes, you all are looking very fine.
God is faithful.
Yeah.
Come, let's go inside.
Oh, no, Mama, I have something in the boots. Let me get them, huh? Yes.
Hey!
Yes.
I am there, my Hey!
What is the problem, son?
Oh, I'm fine.
No, you are not. Tell me, what is
I went to see you.
it? Which girl? Amanda?
Yes. You see, she told me that Felix's mom came to the house and threatened her to stay away from her son if she valued her life.
What has gone wrong with that woman? Eh? She should allow this boy to follow his heart.
I just don't know why I'm not involved with this.
Yes, it is your fault. Yes, you caused it. I've always warned you against this your reckless driving.
Mom.
Yes, if you had been more careful, this accident wouldn't have occurred.
I'll just feel pity for her.
Yeah, the deed has been done. There's nothing we can do about that.
I feel she's just too young to go through all of this.
Well, that's the will of God. Everything happens for a reason. Maybe God wants to push her to a better place. Yes.
You are still here, while others have gone. Even under this rain, you are still here alone.
I'm trying to round up. Soon I will leave.
Okay. I forgot my phone, that's why I came back. You didn't even notice it. It's okay. Bye.
Rebecca, come. Come, please. There's something I would like us to discuss. Please sit down.
Discuss something?
Yes. Sit down. I want us to discuss about your family, more especially Felix, your son. Please.
Philomena, spare me that. I don't want to discuss anything about that. Next time, okay?
Come, Philomena, come. Sorry. Sit down. Don't you think you're making a mistake by doing this?
Philomena, I am not making any mistake. Come to think of it. Are you the one actually telling me this? An executive member of Christian Women Organization advising me to allow my own son to marry a girl that was impregnated by another man. Are you Hewe? Are you sure you know what you are saying?
Philomena, my friend. Law does not catch you if you allow your son to marry that girl. Besides, it was an accident. It wasn't a deliberate act.
They are all the same.
They are not the same, for crying out loud. Get 1 month for once. At least I am your friend. Huh? Look, all I'm trying to tell you is for you to think very, very well. Think before you end up making mistakes.
Are you done talking? There is nothing to think about. I have made my decision and it's final. See you later.
Rebecca! Rebecca! Rebecca, ngaramara na-ekpekwa azụ.
So what are your plans? Don't tell me your plans. There's a saying, a stitch in time saves life. I would suggest you go look for another woman. I can't be running around looking for a woman to marry. If Amanda refuses, I will remain unmarried. That's a wrong statement to make, my friend. You never took my word. Listen to me, my friend. You're a real man. And real men are known for their bravery. To stand whenever they fall. Come on. I have lost my strength. You have to pick up your courage. I have long time been discouraged by my mother. I'm going to surprise her. You have to be on the right page so you don't make mistakes.
I just make sure you're close to her. I'll meet you guys soon. Yes, I'll be there shortly. Okay.
Who called you?
Amanda's sister did.
Amanda's sister. What did she say?
She called to inform me that Amanda tried to commit suicide.
So why is she calling you? As her father, a brother or boyfriend? I don't get it. Wait a minute. Vincent, is there anything going on between you and that girl?
No, mother. Nothing's going on between us.
So why were you called to be informed?
That's because I was the one who put her in pain.
Yeah, but she has recovered from the accident.
Emotionally, she is not. Okay? I need to go and see her. And I'm going now.
Vincent, is there anything you're hiding from me?
No. There's nothing I'm hiding from you. Why is it so hard for you to understand this? I just feel the girl needs a good hand. That's it.
Oh, really? And you're the best person to call?
That's because I've got a conscience. I'll see you when I get back.
Sorry I attempted to do that. Promise I'll not do it again.
Amanda, you see, that you were jilted by one man, it doesn't mean the whole world has jilted you. The strength of a woman is her ability to stand, no matter how many times she has fallen. Amanda, you are a strong woman. Do not allow your past experience weaken your soul. Forget about them and move on with your life. Please.
It's okay. Thank you. I think I feel a bit relieved.
I'm happy too, you know. So how's your baby doing?
Fine.
Yeah.
It's raining. I think you should start leaving before it gets heavier.
My dear, I think it was you who were supposed to go inside while I leave. So why don't you go inside and then I leave?
Why are you still here? I have told you she does not want to see you. So you can go.
She doesn't want to see you. Go, please.
Why don't you want to see him?
Were you expecting me to run out there and jump on a man that jilted me and locked me up in a police cell?
Jilting you is one thing, yes. But locking you in a police cell should be considered. Babe, this man has apologized for the wrong information he had about you. So what else do you want?
What are you trying to say?
All I'm trying to say is you should have heard from him. Remember, you are the one that offended him.
Are you for real?
What do you mean, am I for real? Felix caught you red-handed with another guy. And you are here asking me, am I for real? Or isn't it what happened?
For crying out loud, Linda. Are you trying to tell me that Felix spent 2 years out there without touching another woman?
Let me tell you something. Any accusation you level against that guy, he'll be innocent of it. Do you know why? Number one, you were never there with him. Secondly, you didn't catch him with any other woman. But your own reverses the case. So what are you saying? Joyce, this man still loves you. I mean, I saw love in his eyes.
Stop it.
Why?
Because you're sounding as if you've been bribed.
God knows he gave me nothing.
Then why are you soliciting for someone you know reason he is coming back to me?
What happened has happened. Or maybe God just wants to use this to bring both of you back together. Just hear him out, please.
I am not interested.
I suggest listen to him. That's just all I'm saying. Like, implying any other thing. Let's hear him out.
Well, you're welcome to this beautiful house. I'm sure you all are guessing where we are. Well, I'll tell you. This is your new home.
Oh my God. What?
Yes.
Mama. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey. Vincent.
Yes, dear.
Sorry, but why all this?
You see, I'm doing this because I want them to take good care of you.
Oh, Vincent, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Mama.
May God bless you from generation to generation.
Amen.
And may your pocket never lack any good thing.
Amen.
And Agene. I'll be right back. Oh, Mom. I'm coming. Oh, Mom, I'm coming. Hey.
Amanda, I just want to see you happy. That's all.
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Hey. Don't do that. Please. Amanda, I love you.
Crazy life, you see. If we had not done that, we would be thinking of getting married by now.
I just feel like going to meet the mother and letting everything loose.
No, come on, bro. Stop. Don't do that. That will cause some big havoc.
And how is that supposed to be my business?
When they relax. Come on, I mean, relax and understand me. You can't do that. The law is going to catch up with us if you mess up. Come on, relax. Or are you trying to tell me you are jealous of this guy getting married to her?
Jealous? No! Just that I never expected such kind of thing to happen. After everything he said we did.
God's plans. God's plan, bro.
Any day that girl finds out that he was the one that actually raped her, man, heaven will let loose.
I'm not going to be around on that day to witness such an havoc. Count me out, bro. I won't be around on that day to witness such a havoc.
No, I just pray that that girl never saw our faces.
Faces? What are you talking about? Faces? Did you open your mouth?
Max?
Yeah.
Huh? No, now.
Come on, we're good to go, bro.
I can't do that.
Don't worry, it'll be fine. Get some more drinks. I call the barman. Barman!
Yes, sir.
Barman, come.
I'm deeply sorry for everything. Please find a place in your heart and forgive me. Please. I'm deeply sorry for everything. I know you're so hot. But please, find a place in your heart and forgive me.
Felix, I'm sorry for cheating on you. It was not my intention. The thing is that I met Henry when we lost contact. I stopped hearing from you for 8 good months. I was confused. I was broken. I didn't know what to do. I'm sorry. I know I hurt you. Forgive me, please.
Apology accepted. Even before now.
I don't understand. What could be the meaning of all these dreams? Does it mean that Felix wants to come back to me?
My dear, with the way things are going now between you and Felix, I think he's definitely coming back to you.
Linda, please, if there is anything you know that I can do to bring him back, please tell me. I am ready to do anything. I want Felix back in my life.
You know dreams are revelations. And for you to have that same dream 2 consecutive times, I think is a sign that he is definitely coming back to you.
When was that?
He's coming back soon. Just calm down.
Great.
Yeah. My girlfriend is in love.
Yes,
God, when? When will I be in love like this? Crazy girl. Beg. It's coming. Yeah.
Oh God, please. Make this dream come true.
Madam, calm down. I don't want to faint before you
Let's go.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma. Amanda, right? Yes, ma. You're welcome. You may sit.
Thank you.
So, how is your mother and your sister?
They are fine, ma.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
So, mother,
Yes, sir.
I decided to bring her here to officially introduce her to you as the woman I intend to make my wife.
Oh, really?
Yes, mother.
Wow. Well, son, just like you told me earlier, when you first briefed me about your intentions towards her. Marriage is not what one goes in for fun or for pity. It must come from your heart because it is something that lasts for eternity.
Mom, I'm happy to have found a woman like Amanda. I love her so much. And my intention to make her my wife is from my heart.
I will bless your union.
Thank you very much, Mom.
You're welcome, son.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma. You're welcome, daughter.
Don't worry, he'll soon be here.
Oh, I like your hair.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Hi, Mom, you sent for me?
Yes, sit down. I want to tell you something.
I'm going out to see a friend.
Don't worry, I won't take much of your time. Just sit down.
Mom, can we talk about this later, please? I'm rushing out for something. Please.
Felix! 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 What is wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me.
Shut up! If nothing is wrong with you, why did you ignore me inside? You embarrassed me.
Mom, but I already told you I'm rushing out to see a friend.
And I told you that I'm not going to take much of your time.
Can we talk about this later when I come back? It's very simple.
Felix, don't try walking out on me again. That girl sitting inside there came because of you.
Because of me?
Yes, I invited her so I can introduce her to you.
What for?
You see that girl? I want you to marry her. She is a good girl. Moreover, she came from a godly family. You will like her.
You amaze me.
Felix! Felix!
Where did you get this?
I got it from the right source. Sure. Such is life. Come on, I'll see you later. Felix! Felix!
Now, why are you running away from me?
I don't want to do it.
You don't want to do it? With your husband? Who else do you want to do it with?
Nobody except you.
Then?
Please stop.
What is it?
I'm still a virgin.
Oh.
Please, can you do me a favor?
What favor?
Can you be patient with me till our wedding day?
Is that what you want?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But at least we can play. Right?
No.
Everything is locked till wedding night.
You will not believe that Felix spoke to my husband about this issue.
So, what were they discussing? Same issue?
Of course. He told my husband that he should leave me alone. That I, Amanda, belong to him.
What did your husband say?
You know my husband now. He didn't say anything.
I have suffered. I have suffered. I will tell Felix, with all his money, abundance of it, I will tell him with not his money, everything is not possible. And when they're gonna
yes.
When they're gonna that is what it means. Rubbish! Nonsense!